Hello guys, today we're gonna talk about the noise in Logitech headset. I saw many videos on YouTube um, talking about how to fix there is noise in the mic, like you hear something, it's noise, but all the videos talking about how to fix it, but no one there saying exactly where's the issue and how to solve this issue. So today we're gonna talk. It's really simple. We're gonna talk how to fix this noise. I believe you guys hearing this noise, um, and then now I hear it. So, but what you gonna do, to find the issue with the Logitech uh, software making this noise? So, how to fix that is really simple. You don't have to go to the control panel and like here recording, and then you go to your Logitech properties. So all of this stuff is nothing you can do. Okay, so it's really simple. You go to the software right here, and then you go to your mic, and then you go here. And here's the problem. There is something you have to do. Everything is good here except here. You just go down. Look. Do you hear that? Your mic is you hearing your mic, okay? Now I'm hearing my mic, okay? So that's how you fix it, guys. That's the best solution for it. Thank you so much, guys, and VTAR64, please help me subscribe and uh, like if you like the video, and yeah, if you don't like, just give me a dislike. Have a good one, guys, and bye bye.